Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this beautiful half up, half down. However, it's a further back half up, half down. So we got some action in the front, some nice light baby hairs. Nothing is too much in the face and too much overbearing, but it still gives so much drama and it's just so pretty to me. By the looks of it, you could tell this is super beginner friendly. You know I'm a beginner friendly kind of girl. I love quick hairstyles that just eat real quick. So I'm always give y'all those, okay? But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. right, y'all, so this is the final look, and this is so cute. It's like I always underestimate some of these styles, and it's just kind of like, you just gotta see it on. Like, you gotta put it on. You ever think about a hairstyle, you're like, I don't know how that's gonna look at me, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, and then you try it on, and then you do it, and it's either a fail or it eats. And this eats, y'all. This is something I actually would wear in the summertime or the spring, only because I do feel like big hair in the summertime is cool. Well, by the beach, I'll say by the beach. I don't know, we just walking around the neighborhood, I don't know, we just, you know, casually just hanging out. I don't know about all that, but this is something I would do on a pushback nice sundress. I would do this, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm not one of those girls who get like super hot by hair when it's warmer outside and stuff, so I usually be good. But I think this is a little bit of everything, like a good winter style. Fall, I can see this in all 4 seasons, just put it like that. This is really pretty and this is really cute. We got some light baby hairs, y'all. I've been trying to work on doing my baby hairs not super light, because I do feel like I wish they was a little bit heavier over here, kind of like how it is over here, because sometimes if it's too light it looks like sticky. I can't picture it, because when you swoop baby hairs and they're thin, they just look like strings. Like, they look kind of, you know, so it's like you really have to have the proper density, whether you gotta go in and tweeze it or you just gotta add more hair. It just really all depends. But everything came together, y'all. This is looking good. This is looking great. I love this. So let me know what y'all think about this look. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me